My name is Mike Seiner. I am the founder of Peak Marketing Service. I'm here to talk with you today about how we can help grow your business with high intent sales leads delivered in real time. I want to be clear, there's nothing to buy at the end of this video. There's no special promotional code that goes away in 45 minutes. We're really here to help answer your questions without having to deal with any pushy salesperson. Every year, Peak Marketing Service generates about 500,000 sales leads. Most of our leads are generated through Google searches with high intent search terms like people looking for prices, people looking for reviews. And working with some of America's most trusted names like Home Advisor and Buyer Zone, we're able to connect real serious buyers with our clients when and where they're ready to buy. So what can you expect? When you work with us and or our affiliates, you have full control over your leads. You get leads that fit your preferences. For example, we offer, depending on what industry you're in and where you're at, we have shared leads, and in some cases, we also offer exclusive sales leads. Let's say you're a window company and you only want to do jobs that offer 10 windows and don't want to do jobs that offer 3 windows. Let's say you're an HVAC company and you only want repairs and you don't do replacement. You can choose your zip code. So there's really no limit on how you can structure the type of leads that you're purchasing from us. Setup fees are typically very small. They're nominal. And in some cases, again, depending on what industry you're in and where you're at, there are at times no setup fees, excluding, of course, any fees that may be necessary to integrate with your CRM software. You control your budget. You set a spend target to control your lead flow. For some people, that looks like $400 a month. For other clients, that might look like $20,000 a month. With the click of a button, you turn the lead flow on. With the click of a button, you turn it off. Again, total control. It's commitment free. No matter what solution you go with, you're not under a contract. If at any time we're not delivering quality leads, you are free to cancel the service without reason. So our affiliates at Home Advisor, they generate a request every 2 seconds, and over 200,000 home pros rely on them for that service. But we want you to take your time, work your way through our website. We want you to be informed with the type of leads we're going to be delivering. Of course, everyone says they've got great leads, and honestly, you don't know sometimes, unfortunately, until you try the service. Again, when you're ready, click the Get Started button, fill out an application. You'll get more pricing information and more details about the services that we offer. I'm sure if you do that, you're going to be glad that you did. And I want to thank you in the meantime for considering our service. And again, we're Peak Marketing Service. We're going to help you build your company.